Welcome to Crypto Horizon. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of BingX trading. If you're passionate about cryptocurrency, this platform might just be your next favorite destination. BingX is a powerful trading platform that offers an array of features designed to make your trading experience easier and more profitable. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced trader, BingX has something for everyone. With its user-friendly interface, advanced charting tools, and comprehensive market research, you'll have everything you need to succeed at your fingertips. Let's talk about some of the benefits of trading on BingX. First off, they provide a wide range of trading pairs, which allows you to diversify your portfolio easily. This means you can trade popular cryptocurrencies while also exploring emerging altcoins that have great potential. Another standout feature is the seamless integration of trading bots. These bots can help automate your trades based on your strategy, which is a fantastic way to maximize your trading opportunities without being glued to your screen all day. Plus, BingX offers competitive fees, giving you even more reason to trade without worrying about high transaction costs. Now, here's where it gets even better. By using our special referral code, CHUCHU, when signing up, you can unlock exclusive bonuses that will enhance your trading journey. This code can grant you privileges such as bonus funds for trading, access to unique features, and even reduced trading fees. These benefits will not only save you money, but also boost your potential for profit. So, if you're ready to take your trading to the next level, don't forget to use the referral code CHUCHU when you register on BingX. Join the community of successful traders today and start your journey with a solid foundation. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to Crypto Horizon for more exciting content and insights into the world of cryptocurrencies. Remember, the world of trading is vast, and with the right tools and knowledge, you can achieve amazing success.